Okay, I'm here with the newest update. The only update that we have for it is for the flight controller, and it's version 1.1.51. And I'm going to give it a try, see if I lose disconnect, and see if it reconnects. That seems to be the biggest problem that I've been having. So I'll try this a few times. This is the first time that I'm going to try to disconnect and then reconnect. So as usual, I make sure that my drone is approximately where it thinks it should be. I have good GPS satellites, and I'm on the map, and I'll go ahead and take off. Altitude dropped a little, but not that much. Before it would almost drop to the ground. So that's good. We'll go ahead and switch the video, hit record. Okay, let's take it up. And we'll go forward. That's full speed, 22, 23. I'll turn it around. Full sticks forward. I'm up to 24. I'm in sport mode. But again, I don't think nothing has changed with the sport mode and regular. So I'll go to normal and see if anything changes. Nope, still around 22 up to 25. Turn it around. $25 is the max I've gotten. And let's go back to sport mode. Go back out the same way. 28. 25, it's the wind. So no change in sport mode to regular. Sport mode and normal mode. So let's go ahead and get it up to 400. And we'll try to lose connection. So I'm going to fly out over these woods just in case it decides to take a nosedive. I'm not landing on anybody's house. I am now 400 feet up. I'll go down a little, make sure I'm under 4. And we'll try to lose connection. 1,000 feet out. I have trees in the way, so I should get a couple thousand out before I lose connection. And we'll just keep pushing. Signal's starting to drop a little. Lost connection. I let go of the sticks. See if it reconnects any better. Okay, GPS hold. See, lost it again. GPS hold. Okay, so far so good. It connected, and now I have control. We'll go out one more time. And I'm going to test this over the course of a couple days, just to make sure that it always regains signal. $16, $17. Let's try to really push it out. 19. So I'm in 1900. I'm still pushing forward. I'm gonna make sure I lose signal. Not to where I barely lose signal, I want it to where it definitely loses signal. So I'm still pushing forward. And now I'll let go. It's not something you normally do. I'm just trying to make sure that it loses signal and see if it comes back in. So I'm just going to keep my antennas pointed towards where the drone is and see what happens. Regain. It'll probably lose it again because it's not all the way in. As long as it regains eventually, that's fine. And it did seem to find it a little faster. So far, so good. I'll back it out while I'm still pointed towards it because I know that's the weakest signal. Okay, I lost it again. And it reconnected. I'll just scoot back one more time to lose signal. Alright, so it seems like that is working. Again, I'll try it a few more times and hopefully that issue is fixed. Alright, I'm adding this in there. I forgot to test the return to home and seeing if I can use the controls while it's returning home. So it automatically turned around. I'm trying to move my sticks left and right. So it is not letting me move any of this. I'm moving the sticks left and right. You can see on the right side, the A is moving. And right now I'll move. The R is moving. Okay, it does let me change which way as it's coming down. It lets me change the orientation of the quad. Let's see if it goes left and right. And it is letting me go left and right. So let's cancel. And we'll go back up. And we'll try that one more time. %power. So I'll hit return to home. Returning home. And I'll try. See, I'm moving my sticks and nothing's happening. You can see on the top right that they're moving, but nothing's happening. But as soon as it gets over its return to home point, it lets you control what you want to do with it. So while it's on the return to home path, it does not let you change, it doesn't let you control anything, but once it gets over the return to home point, it does let you take control. Alright, I can't remember if it did that before or not, so that's what it does now. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please like and comment, and we'll try this again a few more times and see if it, I'll go ahead and hit return to home and see if it, not connected, I wasn't pointing towards it, there we go. So I'll try it a few more times and see if it continues to regain signal. Alright, thanks.